How to create a Play Store account. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on a profile, now click on your account. Now tap on add another account. Now select Google. Now tap on create account. Select personal use. Now enter your name. Now tap on next. Select your date of birth. Select your gender and tap on next. Now enter your username. Tap on next. Now create your password. Again click on next at the bottom right corner. Tap on next. Now scroll down and tap on I agree. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or search topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.